Hey Fashionistas! I personally can't believe that we're already at the final drop of the Spring 25 season. I guess time just flies when you're having fun and buying adorable shoes. Obviously though, for the last drop of the season, we have to go out with a bang, and so we're dropping not just 1 or 2 new products today, but 5 that all look beautiful styled together and with other parts of the Pashion line. First up, let's talk about the 2 shoes in this week's drop. We are finally doing 2 of our best-selling styles in our all-time best-selling color of the Latte Leather Neutral. I think these 2 styles are instant classics for either the spring or the summer season, although honestly the latte color is so universal, I think you can even style them into fall. That's right, it's finally time for a long overdue Latte Leather slide as well as a Latte Leather Brenna. I'm not going to spend too much time doing Shoemmelier stylings on these because obviously you guys already know all of the amazing combos like cork that look fantastic on all things latte. But just to show you how effortlessly easy it is to style these throughout the year, I'm going to show you my #1 heel kit pick for the 3 seasons I'd wear this in. Obviously for spring, it's got to be cork. You can have an instant summertime makeover paired with espadrille. And then if a fall look is what you're after, y'all already know how I feel about the lacquered wood. Although I also think you could get away with the snakeskin in fall or spring. This is so fun. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Haley, enough about the shoes. Let's talk about the heel kits. As a Shoemmelier, I'm absolutely obsessed with all 3 of the heels in this week's drop because the pairing possibilities on these, literally endless. Y'all already know that our cork block heels have been our best sellers forever, so she's way overdue to be coming out on our flare option. If you're a longtime cork lover but you love the extra stability and kind of retro trendy look of our flare blocks, this is the drop for you. Cork is truly one of those materials that in my eyes is just universal. I mean, it looks fantastic on the latte shoes that are included in this week's drop, but you can also pair her with things like the limoncello, blue, pink, I mean, it's cork. It looks great with everything. This next heel I'm so excited about because it falls in what I would consider the elevated materials category, which is our all-time best-selling category for the heel kit designs. To give you examples, other heels I'd put as having a similar vibe are the cork, the espadrille, and the raffia. These 3 have sold fantastically ever since they came out. On the design side, we were looking for a new material we could bring into the line that played off the same strengths as the styles we're already seeing success with, but brought something different to the table. And that is how we landed on this beautiful new rattan material wrap. Similar to the cork and the other styles that I mentioned, she's going to be an effortless match on latte, as well as on a wide variety of our other classic core colors and pop colors too, if we're being honest. For example, look how absolutely adorable this is on the blue. I also want to give a very special Shoemmelier tip on this heel kit. Y'all know the real secret to Pashion is figuring out how to style forward into upcoming seasonal releases. Developing this rattan heel kit is literally exactly what inspired the release of rattan shoes in the upcoming Summer 25 season. It goes without saying these are a perfect match, and so if you have your eyes on the broader rattan line dropping this summer, this heel's for you. Now last but certainly not least, it's the moment you all have been waiting for. I did not anticipate how popular this heel kit was going to be because, fun backstory, we almost didn't even make it this season. This heel wasn't even on the line plan until the dead last second when I was looking at the final line plan. I looked at the limoncello and the baby blue and I thought something about this is very Mediterranean, very Amalfi Coast. And so the Amalfi Coast print heel kit was born. We have this absolutely stunning multicolored pattern printed onto a canvas wrap. Something about this print really is just so quintessentially Mediterranean to me. It's also kind of giving Disney's Tangled, but that's neither here nor there. Even though this is a patterned heel kit, I find her to be surprisingly versatile. Like, of course, she looks great on the limoncello, as well as on the baby blue, since those colors are what inspired this heel kit, but she's also gonna be an amazing pop on latte, of course. Love, love, love this heel paired with anything white or ivory. The warm undertones in the yellow make her a great match on whiskey, a super fun statement pop on black. I mean, you really just can't go wrong with this heel kit. And speaking of styling forward, don't even get me started on how absolutely iconic she looks paired with the summer line. Whether it be the new denim options that are dropping or the new linen numbers, or if you want to really make a statement, I even like this playing off of kind of a primary color scheme paired with the cherry red. Any way you slice it, if you're going on a Mediterranean vacation this summer and you're not wearing this heel kit, what are you doing? I seriously can't believe the spring season is already ending, but never fear, summer is right around the corner. I hope y'all love this drop as much as I do.